Inbox Training Script. In this video, we'll explore the inbox menu. The inbox is divided into three main sections. Here you can view all your contacts and conversations. Whenever a user sends you a message on Instagram, it appears here within seconds. The inbox works in real time. This means you don't need to reply from Instagram directly. In fact, it's better to respond from here, because inside the inbox you can update user fields, assign tags, and fully manage your CRM. You can see which contacts have unread messages. An unread message means the contact sent you a message without any trigger, so no flow started automatically for that contact. Once you click on a contact, the conversation will be marked as read. When you click on any contact, the middle section displays the full message history between you and that user. From this section you can reply manually and type and send a message directly. You can also click on this icon to manually run any of the flows you have previously created. If you have created canned messages, you can select one from the list and send it instantly. Canned messages can contain text only. You can also send voice messages, images, videos, and emojis from here. When you click on a contact, on the right side you'll see their internal fields. These are system fields that may have been filled automatically inside flows or manually from the inbox. Here you can view, edit, or delete their values. Here is the tag section. Here you can view all assigned tags, remove existing tags, or manually assign new ones. Next, you'll find custom fields. These are fields that you created inside the system. From here, you can view their values, edit them, delete them, or even manually add a new custom field value for that user. For each contact, you'll see additional options. You can mark a conversation as unread. You can block the contact. If you block a contact, this means automation flows will not be sent to them automatically, but you can still reply to them manually and send messages from the inbox. You can also assign a color label. Color labels are useful for internal organization. For example, you might use different colors for hot leads or VIP customers. You can also star a conversation. Now let's clarify the difference between starring and coloring a contact. Color labels can only be assigned manually from the inbox. However, a star can be assigned automatically using the action node. Therefore, you can use the star for specific cases where a user requires urgent support and needs a quick response. For example, in this flow called FAQ and Contact Support, a list of frequently asked questions is provided, and a button is also included in case the user does not find their answer there. If they still need assistance, they can click that button to continue. When the user clicks that button, they receive a message. Using an action node, the user is assigned a star. Now, in the inbox section, you can filter and view only starred users and respond to them quickly. Finally, let's talk about filters. You can filter conversations based on different criteria. You can filter by status, including read or unread, starred or unstarred, blocked users, and color labels. You can select one or multiple items. If you select more than one item and set the logic to all conditions must be met. If you set it to any, at least one condition must be met. The off mode disables the filter completely. You can filter by tags to see only contacts with specific tags. Here you can also select one or multiple tags. And you can filter by custom fields to narrow down conversations based on stored user data. Here, you can also select one or multiple fields. In the search section, you can enter the user's name to find a specific contact.